You might have written an attractive and engaging article that is highly informational and also provides value to the customer. But do you think everyone is interested in reading a long article? Some might be interested in watching videos, or if they are traveling, some might be interested in podcast. So you have to think about what type of content your target audience prefers and repurpose it accordingly. Hi everyone, this is Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to share some of the ways in which you can repurpose your content to gain more traffic. So the first strategy is convert your blog post into videos. An organized blog with good content is a great way to reach a large number of audiences. But today, most of the people prefer watching videos rather than reading a blog post. So turning your blogs into video content will work wonders for you, and it can increase your engagement as well. For instance, I have converted a couple of my blog posts into videos. For instance, one of my blog posts on how to improve landing page conversion and get more leads was converted into a video. People who are interested in watching videos rather than reading a blog can go and watch this video. You can also embed the video on your blog once it's published. So you can implement the same strategy with your blogs too and see the increase in number of customers for yourself. Second strategy is do microblogging. One of the biggest platforms for microblogging is Twitter. You can take your own research and statistics and convert them into Twitter posts. Like in this example, I used this data from my article, converted it into infographic and posted it on Twitter. Believe me, I got serious results out of it. So find out your blog post that consists of some relevant data and use them for microblogging on Twitter. For creating images on Twitter, you can use tools like Canva. Third on my list is convert podcasts into blog posts. Do you know that over 51% of United States have listened to at least one podcast? It is beneficial deal to repurpose your blog content to podcasts. I had a podcast in which I talked with Sarane regarding inbound marketing strategies. But through this podcast, I could only target the audience on YouTube. So for a wide range of targeting, I transformed this podcast video into a blog post and got the audience from there too. You can implement this strategy on your podcast or YouTube videos as well. Next on the list is upload your YouTube video on Instagram or share the URL directly. Today, almost everyone is highly active on Instagram. According to Statista, there are around 1 billion active Instagram users. That's a lot of people. So, to increase the visibility of your blog post or your YouTube video, what you can do is you can share the link of your YouTube video on your Instagram post and also in the bio. This is an easy way for people to reach out to your content. With just one click on the link, they are going to be directed towards your video. For example, as you can see, I have shared the link of my recent YouTube video on my Instagram bio so that people can easily visit my YouTube channel and watch the full video there. Fifth on the list is you can create a YouTube video into a Facebook post. With a population of 2 billion people, Facebook is one of the best platforms to gain visibility and to increase the traffic of your post on videos. On Facebook, you can provide a link to your YouTube video with a little description related to the topic. For example, like in this post, I have provided a little description related to the topic, that is content writing hacks that everyone should know. And I have also added a link to my YouTube video. Now, people can easily click on the link and can easily see the video rather than the old times when they had to go to the YouTube and type the whole title of the video to see it. This is also going to help the people to go and see my video with just one click, and they can learn about the hacks of content writing. So ultimately, all you need to do is just use one form of content and repurpose it on a different platform. Instagram supports short 1-minute videos. On Facebook, ideally 2 to 3 minute videos works well. On YouTube, more than 5 minutes or 7-minute videos works very well. So if you have a YouTube video, you can just take a small clip from that video and post that on your Facebook, or you can create a short of that video and post that on YouTube Shorts or upload that on Instagram. You need to just think how you can use the content from your one marketing channel to your other channels. You can use your blogs to your YouTube, you can use your blogs on Facebook, right? You can just take the headings from your blog and create a short video on it, or you can use the short headings from the blog, create a small infographic and upload that on your Instagram. So you just need to actively think how you want to use your content and just start using that and publishing that in all other platforms. So these are my 5 best content repurposing strategies to gain more visibility through repurposing the content. You get to express your brand as much as possible and build branding authority in the eyes of audience. Repurposing not only helps in generating more content to publish, but also helps in boosting SEO and reaching out to new audiences. So, which of these ways do you use to repurpose your content? Do tell me in the comment section below. With this, we have come to the end of our video. If you find this video useful, then please share it with others who can also take benefit from it. I'll see you guys in next video. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.